Hello students, here we are with one more important question for your CBSE board exam 2026. So this is a question from the chapter trigonometry, but look at the question. Here they have given sine theta plus cos theta is equal to m, secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to m. They ask you to prove m square n into m square minus 1 is equal to 2m. Another important question, and this is a 5-mark question, and usually what happens is students, when they look at these type of questions which they have not solved till date, they'll panic and sometimes they don't even try to attempt the question. But don't do that with this question, because this is an easiest question and you're not supposed to do that with any questions, because if you look at the hints what is given in the question, you will be able to solve it easily. Just have a look at this question. Let's take what is m and try to find what is m square minus 1 first. Let's try to find all the elements of LHS and then we will substitute that and we'll check whether we're getting RHS, because RHS is just 2m here. If suppose RHS was any other complicated term, we would have solved RHS separately and LHS separately, and then we have to check whether the answer what you're getting at RHS and LHS is the same. That's how we solve it, right? Now first, let's take what is m square. M is given as sine theta plus cos theta. So m square will be sine theta plus cos theta the whole square. So if you're writing this way, it becomes sine square theta plus cos square theta. Again, I'm telling you children, whenever we have sine theta plus cos theta the whole square, it is sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. We are supposed to use a plus b the whole square formula. So it becomes 2 sine theta cos theta. This is equal to m square. And they have asked us to find what is m square minus 1. You know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it becomes 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. This is equal to m square. And if you are finding what is m square minus 1, just have to subtract 1 from this. So it becomes 2 sine theta cos theta. I hope this is clear for all of you. Yes. Now, what is n into m square minus 1? Let's check here. N is given as secant theta. So I'm trying to find out what is n into m square minus 1 here. So you have n as secant theta plus cosecant theta multiplied with, we got what is m square minus 1 here, 2 sine theta cos theta. Now children, since this is given in terms of secant and cosecant, let's try to convert in terms of sine and cos. So I'll write secant theta as 1 by cos theta, cosecant theta as 1 by sine theta, and I can take LCM here. Yes, if you take LCM, what happens here? Have a look at this. It becomes sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta cos theta here, which is multiplied with 2 times sine theta cos theta. And you can cancel sine theta and sine theta, cos theta and cos theta. What is remaining here? You get 2 times sine theta plus cos theta, which is nothing but 2 times m. So you can write this is equal to 2 times m, which is equal to your RHS. See, such a easy and simple questions. See children, in one of the paper, this was given for 5 marks. So such a simple and easy questions which you can solve and get 5 marks here. And in some other questions they can add, they will not give you such a simple term as 2m. They can give you something else also. In that case, try to solve LHS separately, RHS separately, and then check whether the LHS is equal to RHS. Usually in the proving type of sums, there are 3 ways of solving questions. 1, we solve LHS and try to get the answer as RHS. Or we solve RHS and try to get the answer as LHS. One more way of solving is you solve LHS separately, RHS separately, and the answers what you get in both of these LHS and RHS must be equal. So you conclude LHS is equal to RHS there. So practice these kind of questions so that if suppose you get this question, you can solve within 1 or 2 minutes and get 5 marks.